Welcome to Back to Health Family Chiropractic. We're the Michelin team.
I'm Dr. Christopher Michelin.
And I'm Nancy Michelin.
Let's take a tour of our clinic.
When you're driving west on Camp Bowie, look for the Lincoln Village sign. And here we are in the building on the second floor where it says Family Chiropractic. Seeing where our signs are, there is an elevator to the right of our office. You can see the elevator in the corner here to take care of your needs. There's also a stairway on the left. I just got off the elevator, so let's continue our tour as we walk to the office. Here's the doorway to our clinic. Let's go inside. This is the reception room as you walk in. This is Dr. Michelin's Success Wall. We've got patient stories here, which you can also find under Success Stories on the website. So you can see the pictures without the reflections that we're getting in the video right now. Now let's look at one of the most important places in any office, and that is the restroom. So that way you know where to go when you come in. Here we are. Let's continue our tour into the resting room. This is the first place that a patient goes when they're brought into our clinic. Here they can rest, let their bodies acclimate to their surroundings, and they'll be able to adjust more easily and more specifically. Now let's go look at the adjusting room. And here we're met with Dr. Michelin.
Hi, welcome to our adjusting area. Come on in. I'm going to start over here, and we have 3 tables in this room that I use that are very specific for adjusting the spine, and each one of them has a different purpose. So you may have heard of some of the intersegmental traction tables that are on the market to open up the lower part of your spine, the lumbar spine, and we use this table much the same way. It's called the Cox Flexion Distraction Table, and the way it works, we strap your legs in there and we have you hold on to the bar at the other end of the table, and when you're laying on your stomach, this really opens up the joints in the lower part of your spine. It also helps to pump fluid back into the intervertebral discs so that your back is going to be able to heal and get more function. It takes you out of pain pretty quickly and easily. We really love this table. So that's my flexion distraction table. Over here we have the main thing that makes us different from any other doctor in North Texas. This is my Atlas Orthogonal Precision Adjusting Instrument. You have seen on our website we have a tab that will take you directly to the Atlas of Difference, and there's actually even a segment of me adjusting one of my patients. It's Dr. Michelin in action, and you can see exactly how we use this and exactly why we use this particular instrument in the office. Okay, and that brings us to our last table in the office. This is an adjusting instrument, very similar to one that you'd see in almost any other chiropractor's office. It's called a drop table or a Thompson drop table. We do full spine adjusting on this table, and the reason that it's called a Thompson drop table is because as you can see, this section actually raises up, and then when I adjust, it drops. Now, what that does is it allows me a mechanical advantage so I can be very gentle with your spine while we're adjusting. It allows for very specific leg checks. It allows for very specific adjusting. I also do full spine adjusting through the upper part of your spine on here, and sometimes I'll adjust the lower part of your cervical spine here as well. Great table. It functions perfectly and has done a lot of great work with us, helped many of our patients receive better help. Right over here, we have a typical massage chair. We use this for the one piece of physical therapy that we utilize in the office, and that would be this instrument called a percussor. This instrument specifically is designed for what we refer to as myofascial release. And fancy way of saying that we will help your tissues and your soft tissues, your muscles, your ligaments and tendons all to heal faster so that you can hold your adjustment more easily, more quickly, and feel much better.
Okay, let's leave the adjustment room and continue with our tour. Now we are on our way to the X-ray room, and as we go, we pass Dr. Michelin's office and Dr. Michelin's degree wall. Over here, we've got a letter from Dr. Roy W. Sweat. He's the one who invented the Atlas orthogonal instrument. Dr. Michelin had the pleasure of working with Dr. Sweat. Now let's move on to the X-ray room. This is where Dr. Michelin takes three-dimensional X-rays so he can see exactly what adjustments need to occur.
Thank you for visiting our clinic today.
We hope you enjoyed the tour.
We look forward to seeing you soon.
Bye-bye.